Welcome to the Rimbrake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get commanders in Rise of Kingdoms. The most reliable way to acquire new commanders is by opening chests in the tavern. You'll find two types, golden chests and silver chests. Golden chests are your best bet for powerful legendary and epic commanders, while silver chests offer advanced and elite options to strengthen your forces. Focus on collecting keys to maximize your chances. To truly boost your commander roster, focus on golden chests. Each golden chest requires one golden key. You can earn these valuable keys through various daily objectives, completing quests, and participating in special in-game events. It's often wise to save your golden keys for specific events like More Than Gems or Wheel of Fortune to get extra rewards and increase your chances of unlocking rare commanders. Beyond the tavern, several other avenues exist for acquiring commanders and their sculptures. Engaging in special in-game events frequently offers commander sculptures as rewards, which can be used to summon new commanders or upgrade existing ones. The Expedition mode also provides a consistent way to earn specific commander sculptures. Don't forget to check the VIP shop and Alliance shop for additional opportunities to purchase valuable sculptures. To maximize your commander roster, prioritize developing a few strong commanders early on. Use universal sculptures wisely to upgrade their skills, making them more effective in combat and resource gathering. Joining an active and supportive alliance is also crucial, as it provides access to alliance gifts, technology bonuses, and shared resources, all of which contribute to faster commander acquisition and development. Strategize your efforts for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.